Hi dear Toastmasters, welcome to the weekend updates by District 31. I am Veera Sriram, your Public Relations Manager. This year we have a new initiative called Weekend Updates by District 31. We'll try to post 2-3 minute video on YouTube giving the updates from the district. Congratulations and Happy New Year. We've entered the new year for Toastmasters, which starts from July 1st and goes until June 30th. The first week is the week of installation, inauguration for each club. Each club elects its new officers, and the induction ceremony is so important. Please make sure you all conduct an installation ceremony in your clubs, thanking the past club leaders and welcoming the new club leaders. A transfer of power happens, and it is a wonderful occasion for each and everyone in the club. Club members, let's make a pledge that we will try to attend as many Toastmaster meetings this year and complete as many projects as possible. I like to talk about 4 things. First, our district director's motto this year. Second, the help that is available for us. Third, few initiatives that we are rolling out. And fourth, the weekly updates. Our district director's motto this year is rebuild, relearn, regrowth. With this motto, our district director, distinguished Toastmaster Audrey Creation, will try to rebuild our District 31. It's not going to happen all by herself. We have a strong team which is consisting of 170 clubs, area directors, division directors, district director, and the regional director. So we have help all over our district. Tip number 2 is help. Help is everywhere. It is just that we need to seek out, and we will get that. This year we're having some new initiatives from the public relations front. We will be doing a new initiative called Open Heart with District 31, where we'll have members from our district come and participate, where they will open their heart, talk about their Toastmasters journey, impact of Toastmasters, why should someone join Toastmasters, all that great fun. Number 4 is weekly updates. We'll have weekly updates every week this year, and we will keep our club updated. On that front, stay safe, enjoy the summer, and we will talk to you next week. Until then, bye-bye.